So for dividend discount model, what do? You forecast future dividends and you calculate the present value, and that gives you the value of the equity. So when I say forecast future dividend, now the question is, should I forecast it for 5 years? Should I forecast it for 10 years, 100 years, or what? So you have to forecast all the future dividends. Let it be 100 years, let it be 200 years, 1000 years. You have to forecast all the future dividends and then discount those back to present. Now the question is that how do we forecast all the dividends? So that is not humanly possible. So what you do is you make forecast for, let's say, 5 years or 10 years, and at the end of that you calculate a value or a price which captures all the rest of the benefit, all the rest of the free cash flow to firm, or all the rest of the dividend, or all the rest of the FCF. So instead of forecasting dividend for ever, or instead of forecasting FCF for 100, 200 or 1000 years, you can forecast it for 5 or 10 years, and that at the end of it you calculate a price or you calculate a terminal value and then discount that back to present. So you might know what the price will be. So you can decide that the price forecast of next 10 years for this particular stock is, let's say, $100. So you can just take that as it is, or you can calculate terminal value. How do you calculate terminal value? Terminal value is calculated using Gordon growth model. Gordon growth model says that if there is a payment or cash flow which is expected to increase at a constant rate in future, then its present value can be found using the formula D naught into 1 plus G divided by R minus G. R is your required return, G is sustainable growth rate at which it will continue to grow forever, and dividend in that particular year at which you are finding the value. Any problem so far?